Our lives are supported by small, often invisible creatures. The creatures we are about to introduce are part of the gears of the ecosystem. If even one of them disappears, it would have a serious impact on our lives. Now is the time to recognize their role and understand their value. Bee. A small creature with a global role. They are not just insects. By flying between flowers and pollinating, they help produce the fruits and vegetables that fill our tables. Their impact is vast. 1/3 of the world's crops are supported by bees. If bees were to disappear, our food supply would take a major hit, and entire ecosystems would be disrupted. Fruits would diminish. Flowers would fail to bloom, and the once vibrant nature would fall silent. Small yet mighty. That is the bee. Plankton. Tiny, invisible life forms beneath the quiet waves of the ocean. They are the foundation of the marine ecosystem, the source of all life. Fish, whales, and many marine creatures depend on these microscopic organisms for sustenance. Phytoplankton produce much of the Earth's oxygen. Their disappearance would have a devastating impact, not only on marine ecosystems but on human life as well. Invisible but indispensable. That is the power of plankton. Earthworm. A small guardian quietly working beneath the soil. They are not just insects, they till the soil and decompose organic matter, creating fertile land. Their impact is immeasurable. If earthworms were to disappear, the soil would harden, and plants would lose nutrients. It would cause serious harm to agriculture and the entire natural environment. Crops would fail, and the richness of nature would be lost. Small yet mighty. That is the earthworm. Coral. A vibrant ecosystem spread beneath the sea. Coral reefs provide shelter and breeding grounds for many marine species. If they disappear, countless creatures living there would be lost as well. The entire ocean would fall silent. As climate change and ocean pollution progress, coral becomes ever more important. The small architects of the sea. That is coral. Bat. Silent shadows that fly through the night. They are not just nocturnal creatures. Bats eat agricultural pests and reduce disease-carrying mosquitoes, providing indirect benefits to humans. Additionally, they pollinate tropical plants and support the life of fruits and trees. If bats disappear, pests would increase, and plant life would decline, threatening ecosystems. Small protectors in the night sky. That is the role of bats. Sea turtle. Ancient travelers, gracefully gliding through the ocean. They help maintain the balance of marine ecosystems by feeding on seagrass. Sea turtles prevent the overgrowth of seagrass, and contribute to nutrient cycling between the ocean and beaches. If sea turtles were to disappear, seagrass would grow unchecked, and beach ecosystems would change dramatically. Quiet connectors of the ocean and land. That is the sea turtle. Fungi. Invisible microorganisms like mold and fungi. They are nature's recyclers, breaking down organic matter and returning nutrients to the soil. Thanks to them, fallen leaves and animal remains transform into fertile soil that nurtures new life. Without fungi, forests and grasslands would wither, and soil would become barren, halting nature's cycle. Tiny decomposers create the cycle of life. That is fungi. Fish, forage fish. Small fish that swim in schools across vast oceans. Species like sardines and herring are the lifeblood of marine ecosystems. These forage fish are a crucial food source for larger fish, seabirds, and marine predators. Without them, food chains would collapse, and the balance of the oceans would break down. Small creatures supporting a thriving ocean. That is the role of forage fish. Ant. Small workers that scurry across the ground. They are not just insects. Ants aerate the soil, disperse seeds, and control pests, playing a vital role in terrestrial ecosystems. Without ants, plant growth would be hindered, soil would deteriorate, and natural environments would shift dramatically. Small but with great influence. That is the ant. Bird, predator species. Majestic hunters soaring through the skies. Owls, hawks, and other birds of prey. They regulate the populations of small mammals and insects, maintaining balance in nature. If predator birds disappear, pests and rodents would proliferate, leading to ecosystem collapse. Their presence silently maintains the natural order. Guardians of the sky. That is the role of birds of prey. Bees, plankton, earthworms, coral, bats, sea turtles, fungi, forage fish, ants, and birds. Their existence supports both our lives and the natural environment. We must deeply understand the importance of coexisting with them. It is our responsibility to take action to protect the future. Let us never forget to appreciate the greatness of these small lives.